We will collect data on what was the presentation of the epilepsy, when did it start, how patients responded to certain medications. We will then collect data on how those medications were used, which doses, how many different medications somebody needed, and this will give us a really good picture of what the treatment for SCN1A related epilepsies has been and what we can learn from all these different individuals and how they presented. And this is really realistically the only way for us to tell and advise patients in the future to say, actually, we have a lot of evidence now from a large group of patients, and we can then, based on that evidence, advise future generations and existing patients on treatment strategies. So any patient from new diagnosis to established diagnosis, from childhood to adulthood, with an established SCN1A mutation and epilepsy. So those are the criteria for inclusion in the SCN1A Horizons study. This study is organized in two parts. There's one part which we call the standard of care or clinical arm, and that really is a standardized way to conduct a clinic assessment. So every patient will already see their child neurologist or adult neurologist on a regular basis, let's say every 6 months. So in this study, we just standardize that assessment so patients are seen every 6 months by their clinician, and we collect data just in a standardized, systematic way. That's the standard of care arm. And then we have a research neuropsychology arm. And because we are very interested to learn how individuals with SCN1A related epilepsies, how their development is, how they progress over time, are there any other comorbidities such as autism spectrum disorder, such as other behavioral difficulties. So all this will be assessed in great detail up until adulthood. And we really hope to gain much more understanding of the cognitive and behavioral development of individuals with SCN1A related epilepsies as part of the neuropsychology arm of the studies.